How to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Steam Cloud Sync error. First thing you want to do is open up your Steam application on your PC. Once you have Steam open, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you want to find the Steam icon at the top left, and then from here you want to go to Settings. Once your settings is open, go to Cloud. On the left hand side, make sure that the Enable Steam Cloud is turned on, toggled on. And then from here, you want to basically go to Downloads. And then on the download region, you can change it to a different region because it might be facing some issue. Just make sure that it's closest to where you live. Just change the region. And then once you have done that, you could just go ahead and change it. So let's say right now it's on Kolkata. I'm gonna change it to Mumbai for now. You're gonna have to restart it. For that, I'll just restart it later. Once you have done that, you can just click on this as well, allow downloads during gameplay. And then you can just scroll down on downloads. You can clear download cache. Now it's going to have to restart. It's going to restart the Steam, and then you're going to have to log back in again after restarting. And after doing so, you can go to storage. Now, once you are on the storage section over here, you can basically go ahead and click on this, and then click on repair library. Now just click on yes, and then it will completely repair the library. Now you can just restart your Steam and then see if the Steam Cloud starts working. If not, you can go to library, go to any one of your installed games, right click on it, and then go to its properties. Then you can find the option to verify the integrity of the files. Just do that and restart your Steam again, and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.